Hello there, this is Mohammed, founder of the Growth Suite. In this video, I will show you how to add a discount code to your Shopify abandoned cart automation emails. First, in my Shopify dashboard, I click on Marketing, then Automation. As you see, I have an abandoned cart automation. It is not active, it is in the draft status. It's all because of my test store. In order to add a discount code to your emails, abandoned cart emails, not checkouts, you need to activate this automation flow first. Let's say you have an active abandoned cart automation. You need to just click on this one and then click on edit button in here. Now it automatically came with send email section. In your case, maybe it starts with here. No problem. Just scrolls to the right, find send email step, click on it. Now I need to click edit email in here. It opens. And when it is ready, I click on add section button in here and then choose discount. Now I can customize this section as I wish. Let's say special offer for you. And then I need to choose my discount code here. If you can't see discount you are looking for, just go to discount page, in the Shopify admin panel and create your own discount. You can name it and, search it in here too, no problem. I will choose just free shipping code and it automatically change contents in here. I will just, change for text in here to show you. You can change everything as you wish, I just make it red and then change fonts, etc. It's all up to you. You can change buttons. Everything can be changeable based on your preferences. When you complete these details, you need to click on done button in here to save the changes you made and it is ready to go. That was all. If you are looking for ways to increase your conversions and recover your cart abandonments, I also highly recommend to check out Growth Suite in Shopify App Store. Our applications helps you to make a time-limited offer to your visitors when they are most interested in your products and increase your conversions with instant conversion. It is good to recover abandoned cart, but fixing the abandonment in the first step is the best. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.